Hello friends, today I will tell you regarding how to measure earth resistance by a earth tester. What's unboxing of a earth tester? With a tester you can find four earth electrode, some wires and one hammer. Before going to topic, we have to know that a 33 by 11 kV substations should not have resistance more than 2 ohms and an electric pole should not have more than 10 ohms. Let us see how to measure the earthing resistance of a substation. Here one earth electrode placed here, then another earth electrode placed here, and third point of earth tester is earthing pipe, earthing of these substations. Then we can check earth value by pressing red button. If you have what's 0.26 ohm, very good. What's here another substations first earth electrode, here second electrode, and third point of earth tester here earthing of this substation, and we can find earthing value by pressing red button, and here is 0.61 ohm. Again reminding you that substations earthing should not have more than 2 ohms. So this earthing value is nice, and here we can check earthing value of electric poles. Was our engineer how to check? Well, here first electrode, earth electrode placed here, and another this arrow mark, second electrode, earth electrode, and third is connected to earthing wire of this pole. Was and earthing value is 1.122 ohms. So this is nice. This value should not more than 10 ohms. So nice resistance. Watch how to connect terminal of a tester. Here Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comments and subscribe my channel for making interesting video for you.